Why? I can destroy.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Maybe I'm having a hot flash.
I don't know what I'm
Too little.
doing.
I'm no one.
I don't know.
Yucky. Whew. It is a super hot day today. Welcome. I'm Claudia. I am currently renovating my mini Winnie RV and I'm super excited because last week I finished the last part of demolition. Today my goal is to prep the floors for flooring. What I'm planning to do is to look for holes, patch them, look for staples, remove them. I also had the big screws that were holding the seat belts, so I need to get under my rig and remove those. After that, I'm going to use the sander to sand all the subfloor, and that is what I want to accomplish today. So I'm excited.
I don't know where I'm going. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know. Everything's changing. I find it so strange. Oh no. Move ahead. Oh my pretty babe, something ain't right. Got to.
I'm also beyond excited because I have made a decision on my flooring. And making decisions for me when it comes to finishes and design is so hard because I know I have so many options and I like so many of them. But I made this decision based on longevity. Hey Siri, how do you pronounce longevity? Longevity? Is it longevity? Let's see. How do you pronounce longevity?
I don't know who you are. You can update my information in Siri settings.
What? Hey Siri,
I'm here.
how do you pronounce longevity?
Here's an answer from collinsdictionary.com. Longevity definition. Longevity is long life.
Okay, so ooh, it is so hot today. Seriously, I was sitting by the door for the breeze. I'm sitting by the window now for the breeze, and it's still so hot. Maybe I'm having a hot flash. I don't know. I don't know anymore. So if I look too shiny, it's not makeup, it's sweat. Anyway, I was telling you that I am so excited because I chose my flooring and it's been hard to choose because there were so many options. I hope you remember, but if you don't, I shared a video about my product selection and I'm going with cork and I want to try to use cork all over in many formats because I want my home to be as eco-friendly as possible. So I picked new floors. How beautiful! How beautiful is this? I bought it from Jenny Link. It's the company that I'm gonna be working with. I'm not a sponsor, not at all. I'm too little, I'm no one. The name of the one I picked is called Corkstone and I picked the varnished finish and it's gonna come in a 12 by 12 tile. So as you can tell, it's gonna be very easy for me to cut to custom sizes. Woo! I base my decision in the longevity of the product, the eco-friendly aspects of it. I picked this specific pattern because I think that these colors are very easy to work with. Should I change my mind on my wall colors in the future or wall covering? I still haven't decided what I'm gonna do with the walls, but I plan to paint my cabinets black. I'm gonna have very little cabinet, but to me, black in these colors looks so attractive. I'm gonna love seeing that. And also, this pattern will hide any stains or dirt or who knows what I'm gonna do to my floors in the future. this pattern is gonna hide very well any other imperfections. It's easy to work with, to introduce a lot of other colors in the future. And I love the crazy pattern. I think when I have a couple of glasses of wine, I'm gonna enjoy looking at this pattern. I love everything I see. I see art. I see nature's art on these floorings, and that makes me so happy. Isn't this exciting, you guys? I have been a demo for weeks now, and I can tell I can destroy, I can do demolition, but now the question is, can I build? Can I rebuild my home? This is now the true test. It's been super hot in California lately. We have a heat warning. Right now, I'm on my way to Home Depot. I think this is gonna be my first Home Depot visit since I started my renovation. I have been doing mostly demolition. I haven't needed to buy anything yet, but I'm dying. It's too hot, too hot. Do you know how hard it is for me to walk by the garden center and not buy any plants? Really, really hard.
How can I know when I'm lost?
Will you be able to point me in the right direction?
Oh my pretty babe.
This is where I was looking, but I got lost. So after following him for a while, he doesn't know, so I am gonna figure it out and see the right products. I have asked somebody who seems to know more. We're all learning. That one? Oh yeah, perfect. I got my Subflooring materials. I got the roller for the tiles, a roller for the floors, gloves, spatula, wood filler for the holes, and a new pair of knee pads.
Oh my pretty babe, I won't be around till I come back.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Oh my pretty babe, wait for me.
You want it? It's all yours. Have a good one.
Wait for me till I come back. My babe, oh my pretty babe,
So those are the seatbelt bolts. Oh yeah, it's gonna be awesome if I can just unscrew it. Oh yes, it came down. This one. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Okay. Oh my goodness. So what do they say? It's lefty loosey. Keep going, Claudia, keep going. All right, and this is the last one. So now we need to get out of here. I got the seatbelt bolts. So I have big holes to fill. I was going to spray bleach on those dark areas where I found water damage, or they were moist areas. And thank goodness that I shared that with you, because you told me that bleach would only make it worse. That instead of bleach, I should spray hydrogen peroxide. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a part of vinegar with a part of hydrogen peroxide. This is the white distilled vinegar. It is not the cleaning vinegar that I was recommended. And the difference that I learned today, I wish I could say your name, but I don't remember. The difference between this white distilled vinegar and the cleaning vinegar is the percentage of acidity. Cleaning vinegar has 6%, I was told, and this one has 5%. Let's go and kill those fuckers. These are the dark spots that I need to treat with the magic poison that I just made. And then I see here, in transition from the kitchen to the living room, I see this strip here where the carpet and the linoleum met. This is also all dark. So I'm gonna apply the magic poison here as well. And even though I didn't find any black spots in the bathroom, I'm also going to spray my killer potion. I have sprayed all the black areas, so we'll check in a day or so. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is disgusting. This is sweat. It is 5:41 p.m. and this is how it feels inside the RV. I have been working almost every day for just a little bit. I've been picking the evenings thinking that it's cooler, but it's almost 6 p.m. and it's still too hot. I'm gonna call it quits for today. Yucky. I have removed all of the staples. I have sprayed my poison to kill any possible mold. I have hammered any nails or anything that was projecting. My goal today is to sand all of the floors. I will be using this sand little machine, and after I sand the floors, I want to fill all of the holes with wood filler. So that's my goal for today. It is the morning. I decided to work in the morning today because it's been so hot. I have fans going on, but I'm already sweaty. So I don't know how much I'm going to be able to do, but that's the goal for today. Wish me luck. Do this. Now I'm gonna start patching all of the holes. There's some screws also, they're very deep into the subfloors, creating a little space at the top. So I'm gonna fill that in as well. And I'm using an all-purpose wood filler. I decided to make a little trench here and remove all the moldy area for two reasons. One, I don't want to wait until the black spots disappear. Two, I want to make sure that all the mold is gone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig in and remove all the black spots. And once I'm satisfied, I will fill in the gaps with the wood filler, because the wood filler is super strong and it should seal everything very tightly. I'm probably all sweaty already. After applying the wood filler, I let everything dry for a couple of days because there were a few very large holes that needed to be dried, and that was the recommendation for large holes. But now they're all filled. I sand them afterwards to make sure they're level with the floor and there aren't any bumps from the filler or any rough edges from the subfloors. So I went with the sander all over again, swept and vacuumed once again, and now everything is looking super clean and smooth. Therefore, I declare these subfloors ready for my new floors. It is gonna be gorgeous. I know it will be. How can it not be with this finish? Am I right? Am I right? Anyway, thank you for sticking with me. I have learned a lot, especially learned some great tips from you. I'm glad that I'm sharing with you because your feedback has been very, very valuable to me. So please keep the comments coming. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And next week, I don't know if I'm gonna have the floors here yet, but regardless, I'm going to post something fun, I hope. Until next time, ciao.
Something ain't right. Got to find a way to move ahead.